Those cringy like videos of like influencers like taking pictures of themselves, like that's literally me. Yo, what's up everybody, it's your girl Candy coming back with another video. Parking lot that I usually always go to. I want to try some different places, y'all, but I don't want nobody bothering me. But anyways, just like a random me taking my own pictures, because I need some new content so desperately. Why am I putting on so much? Like always, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel so y'all know how to take pictures. But y'all be playing, bro. Y'all like legit, y'all be watching but y'all don't be subscribing. So how does that work? Make sure you like this video, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see how to take your own pictures. I think I'm honestly just gonna go in this corner right here. The parking garage I'm at is really full right now, but the light is hitting so good. But yeah, so I will see y'all when I'm done putting on this makeup really fast. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna come in with a voiceover. I look crazy, honey. I'm looking crazy, but the gist is I'm doing my makeup. I just look so damn crazy right now, but I'm doing my makeup right now. I'm gonna get ready to take pictures. Like I said before, this whole video is random. I didn't plan to come out here and record and do all that good stuff, but I literally was like, you know what, let me get cute in the car. I said, let me get cute in the car real quick. I literally threw on this really cute Aaliyah polo type of deal, but whenever it comes to like shirts like this, I get them extra big so I can wear them as t-shirt dresses. So yeah, that's basically what's going on. It's gonna look better. It's gonna look so much better because right now it's looking so rough now that I'm even looking at it, but it's gonna look a lot better. But that is the gist of what's going on. Just a random little photo shoot for me, myself, and I, and we're gonna see how it goes, so stay tuned. Day that I decided to do this. Usually I would kind of plan it out, but I don't know, I just felt like doing it. I think it's because I know I need content so bad. Like, it's literally not funny how much I need content. Oh, these are the lip glosses I'm using. I'm using regular concealer. I use regular foundation to really kind of contour my face. So yeah, sorry y'all, I'm all over the place. Okay guys, so obviously there is a big elephant in the room, and this is how transparent I want these videos to be, because really taking your own pictures does take a lot of work, but at the same time, every time you go out and shoot, it's not gonna go perfect. As you can see, my makeup is trash. Basura el terrible, baby. It is not looking good, and I'm not the best at like doing a hurry up like makeup look. Like, obviously by this y'all can see, but it's not gonna go super IG perfect every time, and that's okay. I just did a little makeup because, like y'all will see, the sun was really hitting and I just wanted something on my face, just something. But yeah, y'all, don't come for me in the comments. I know this makeup is not the best, but it was just really like a rushed little makeup real quick session. I was really more focused on my lips than honestly anything else, but next time I'm probably just gonna have to take out more time to blend everything out, because my face is not blended, my nose is not blended, like nothing. Fuck, I need some lashes so bad. That just fucking sucks, but okay. So as usual, it just seems like every time I come out here, mall security just wants to reap their little head around here. So I'm literally gonna try to get the best pictures I can without them coming and telling me I have to move, because that has happened maybe once before. I was with my friend. Oh, this is the purse I have to match the shirt. Y'all know I be doing accessories. Okay, hold on. And honestly, I know this is so random, but for safety reasons, like, I always like undo like some of my tripod legs so people don't think like this is something like dangerous or something, because I've had people look at me crazy like, what the fuck is that? Like, girl, it's a tripod, calm down. So basically this is the little cut I want to take the pictures in. As you can see, the sun is like directly on me, but there's like a little bit of shadow action over here, so I'm gonna do my best to get a good picture. But I'm gonna walk back over here to my car. I don't know, I just feel weird. I don't want people to be like, what is this hoe doing? Mind your business. I just got a feeling effing security gonna come over here like, you can't be over here. Yes, the fuck I can. Until you tell me to move. Alright. Oh my god, y'all. I left my Bluetooth clicker too. Like I said, this wasn't a very prepared video, but okay, so this is my tripod. She don't have a name, but this is my tripod. But yeah, somebody asked me on my Instagram, this is totally random, they asked me like, do I get nervous? Like, I just be scared somebody's gonna be like, you can't fucking be here. I'm gonna be like, you know, like those cringy like videos of like influencers like taking pictures of themselves. Like, that's literally me, and I don't care. Y'all, I started taking videos and somebody parked their car right here. Okay guys, my face is like just, I'm so glad I didn't put on any more makeup than I already had. And I'm hoping me driving around with the windows down will help it out. But I'm done taking my pictures. So just a recap of everything I used my own tripod. That's all I had. My iPhone that I'm recording with now, some sunlight, some makeup that's about to melt off, myself and my self-confidence. That's all I use to take these pictures. Oh, and a little tripod attachment that goes on top of the tripod to hold the phone. That's very important too. It's everything I use. I already know those pictures came out fire, because whenever you have direct golden hour on your face, it's beautiful, hun. That's why I just did a little bit of makeup, like a little bit, just to make it pop. It's all about the sweat off. As you can see, currently it is 89 degrees here in my hometown. I don't have a paper towel or nothing, baby, you know, at my face, because it's a dewy look going on. But I'm gonna talk about it more when I get to the crib, because I want to go more into detail about the technical side, I guess you could say, of taking your own pictures, because there is equipment involved, but there is very minor equipment the way I do it, and that's the way I prefer, because I just can't lug around luggage like that every fucking day. Like, I can't do it. But let me talk about it more when I'm like not in my car sweating my ass off. I will go over fashion details, jewelry details. I took a little bit of B-roll just so I could use it for my Instagram reels. And yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna go back to that spot that I randomly found. And honestly, that's what pictures is all about. Finding these random spots and doing you and feeling yourself. And yeah. So I will come back to y'all when I'm not dripping sweat. I need something to drink. Okay, I said this in the last video. I need something to drink, okay, baby, because I am so effing thirsty. But all right, y'all, I will catch up with y'all and we will talk about it later, baby. Peace.